Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to cancel refund on TikTok. So if you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So as you can see right here, I am on the seller center of TikTok. So what you can do in order to see all of your refunds, cancellations, and returns, just click on this orders right here. And then when you expanded it, you should be able to see the orders, cancellation, and returns. So the refund actually falls around the cancellation as well as returns. So if you have some refunds available, you should be able to see them right here. Now, if someone has actually asked you for a refund, you can actually grant them that, or you can also deny it. But if you already just actually approved it, then you can cancel it, but it will take some specific time frame in order for you to get back on your word. So just make sure that you review each refund request that you received, and from in there you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.